Hello, a very good day to you. Welcome to another episode of Equi Forex Academy, and happy new month to you. So today, this is a new month, so we'll be looking at the monthly chart to see the potential move of the forex market on this month. To check out what the market did throughout last month, and to use that to correlate what we could be expecting in this month. So let's start with the AUD USD. Just going to go straight to the monthly time frame. We see this is a very wow. The last month closed bullishly with a reasonable rejection. Okay, you see this rejection started from where markets went all here and the buyers took it up. It's an inside bar though, but this is a strong potential buy market. If you're entering this market now, you have to hold till this month runs out. Okay, this is a very good setup for swing traders. So moving on to USD. Wow, this is still very interesting, very interesting. You don't want to miss out on this. And looking at this chart analysis, that's chart pattern, you can see this is the M pattern indicating a very strong buy. You see this market is going to move from here to this point. This is a very strong long uptrend that is about to begin. So if you're willing to hold for long, this is a very strong opportunity. It's at a demand zone and is a very strong support, and the setup is already set. Price action has indicated a buy. Market chart pattern very nice. So this is a very nice one. Okay, let's check out USD card. A very sweet sell. Okay, this is a very nice sell. It closed bearishly with a very nice rejection from the upper part. So if you were to take this trade, you could enter at this point when the market might try to retest this zone. Okay, so what else? Okay, this is a pin bar. But this is still an inside bar, so we need more of a confirmation because the market came down all the way here and it was pushed back. So the body is really, it's not something we can really hold on to. So we just have to trade consciously on this pair. Okay, there's every probability it will still going up just to test this zone it was pushed out from. Okay, so that's that. Let's check out another. We checked out USD pairs. Let's check out US 500. That's stock. Okay, this is a doji. But the funny thing here is that the rejection from the down part from the buyers is more than the sellers. Okay, so here if I'm to interpret this doji, there is a very insignificant inside bar though. But the rejection from buyers is more than the sellers, so there's a very high probability that this trade is going to keep going upward. Okay, but I guess it will still retest both sides. So we're still going to wait for a lot of confirmation. But if you're a swing trader, you just have to be careful about this trade so you won't get caught up. But you can go to the lower time frame and do your thing, such as the H4 and the H1. Okay, so let's see BTC USD. Oh, it's still telling us a sell. Okay, you can see the body to the shadow is more. So this is still a sell trend, but it might do a little pullback, and so you just have to trade carefully. But what I'm just saying, all this is just the overall market trend, irrespective of what the downtrend do. It will still be in respect to this direction the market is fixing on the main higher time frame. So let's check out another JPY pair. Wow, this guy is still going up. You can see the massive rejection. Okay, this guy is not having it like seriously. Okay, it's still a healthy buying trend till we start seeing otherwise, but you still have to trade carefully though. So what else? Okay, let's check out your JPY. Okay, so this will tell you that JPY pairs are heading up. Okay, most of them. Let's just check it. You can see GBP, JPY, AUD, JPY, all same direction. Okay, until we start seeing otherwise. But this AUD, JPY, we're seeing a lot of wicks. We are seeing too many wicks here, whereby indicating a little bit of weak trend. Okay, so you want to have to be conscious about this pair. But you can go to the H4 and do your thing though. So that is that. This is a breakdown of the monthly analysis I wanted to show you. So the most promising trading instrument I've exposed to you guys is your USD, a very interesting buy trend setting up. GBP USD, a very nice one. What else? Okay, SZD USD is still a very interesting one. Okay, so just go to your H4, do your entering or your H1 in respect to this direction. Okay, anything you're doing should be in respect to the trend. Remember, the trend is your friend and you should have been going against it, unless you want to go back to blame of your account. So that is that. Do have a lovely month. Trade smartly, confidently, and profitably. Peace out. Please, if this is your first time of visiting the channel, please do it to subscribe. And if you learned anything, hit the thumbs up button. Thank you.